Discuss about the two-way slab designed by Excel sheet. I consider this slab. The shortest span of this slab 4 meter. Longest span of this slab 5 meter. S is Lx is equal to 4 meter. Ly is equal to 5 meter. Thickness of the slab slab 150 millimeter. Clear cover 20 millimeter. This is a slab thickness. Overall slab thickness 150 millimeter. This is a clear cover. Uh, 20 mm. The concrete grade, the FCU is equal to 25 Newton per millimeter square. Compressive strength, that is a cube strength. Cube compressive strength. Yield strength of the reinforcement bar 460 Newton per millimeter square or megapascal. Density of concrete, reinforced concrete is equal to 25 kilonewton per meter cube. Partial safety factor of concrete 1.5. Partial safety factor of steel 1.05. This is according to the BS 8110 1997 code. Extra dead load meaning finishes, sealing, etc., but not including self weight. (2 kilonewton per meter square). Imposed load this is an ordinary residential building, therefore 2 kilonewton per meter square. Partial safety factor for dead load 1.4. Partial safety factor of live load or imposed load 1.6. This is according to the BS 8110 code. This is the continuous edge. This is also continuous edge. This is also continuous edge. This is the discontinuous edge. Continuous, discontinuous. This is a spreadsheet for two-way slab. Click it. Spreadsheet to BS800 and Eurocode 2. Two-way spanning in situ slab to BS800 1997 code. Here short span Lx is equal to our case 4 meter. Ly long span 5 meter. Only fill the blue color cells only. H is equal to 150 millimeter. Top cover clear cover 20, bottom cover 20. Extra dead load, our case 2, the data. Only fill the blue color only. Imposed load, our case ordinary residential building, therefore 2 kilonewton per meter square, that is also data. Partial safety factor of dead load 1.4, partial safety factor of imposed load 1.6 according to the British standard. FCU is 25, cubic compressive strength 25, yield strength of reinforcement bar 460 Newton per millimeter square or meter per square. Density of concrete 25, it's okay. Safety factor of concrete 1.5, it's okay. Safety factor of steel 1.05 according to the BS800 1997 code. H1, this is H1 is a continuous edge, H2 also continuous edge, but H3 is a discontinuous. This one discontinuous edge, H3. Type it capital D. And H4 also continuous. That's all. And make it all this other blue cells are this one. 10 mm bar is preferable. All are 10 mm, 10 mm. So already have 10 mm. And check the result. Our 10 mm bar spacing is 400, 400, 375, 400, 400, 400. But there's an error message, red color error message, fail on maximum spacing. Maximum spacing fail. Okay, check it. This is the maximum spacing. Maximum spacing is 385, but our results is 400. Therefore wrong. Maximum spacing 355, our result is 400 millimeters. Therefore, we have to manually change the spacing, but these cells are locked. Therefore, better to save as in other file, other name file. This 1000 or something. Okay. Then this one convenience. Then go to review, unprotect sheet. Now sheet is unprotect. Now you can independently change the cell. This one 250 is reasonable value. Spacing reasonable value. 250. This one also 250. Reasonable value. 250. Okay. All are 250 is a reasonable value. Now check the error message. There are no error message. Global stated valid design, deflection okay, maximum spacing okay, minimum spacing okay. All are okay. That's all. You unable to use this Excel file for new projects because this file already unlocked and unprotected. Therefore, you must use the original and protected Excel sheet for new project. This is the answer. This one also same. It's the answer. Final answer. So bottom bar, the top bar. This short span, 10 millimeter, 250 millimeter spacing, bottom one. The short span, this is the bar. This bar, here to here, here to here. E10 at 250, bottom one. Long span, E10 250 B2. The long span, this is the bar. Here to here, at 250, bottom 2. Top bars, H1 250, H2 250, H3 250, H4 250. All are 10 mm bar. Okay. This one continuous H, continuous. This one discontinuous H. Therefore, this is the bar. Here to here. E10 at 250, top bar. Again, the bar. Here to here. Same. This bar, sorry, this bar is this one discontinuous edge, therefore like that. This one continuous edge, like that. .250 space, this one 250, 250, 250 space. Then at 250, top bar. This one discontinuous edge. Next video we will see the Eurocode 2. What are the difference between DS and Eurocode regarding the two-way slab design. Thank you.